Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Dodge Dart and you're trying to replace guys your windshield washer reservoir or the pumps for the windshield washer system guys, stay with us and we will show you how to do that. Now, quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful guys. First, you see everything taken apart. Okay, you don't have to do almost any of that at all. Why we took the bumper apart guys, bumper removed completely off the vehicle so we can show you guys where things are located and what needs to be done. That way you can get a better idea. So let's start on it now. So, actually guys, the windshield washer reservoir and the pumps are located on the left side of the vehicle. The only thing that you need to remove is your wheel. Okay, let me turn the light on. Your wheel tire. And this is your fender liner. The fender liner, you need to remove it. Ours is completely broken and you will be able to remove the washer reservoir. You might need to remove a trim piece on the bottom here, but pretty much everything will come out. Now, with the bumper out, we can show you where things are now guys. First, we need to disconnect, the wiring harness. This is for the sensor. That tells you if you have low fluid level. Okay, remove this one. You can see that clip right here. Just push it up and it's going to release the clip on the inside. Okay, check it out. Now you will have a few wires that you need to disconnect. Okay, with the bumper on, we won't be able to show you anything at all guys. It will be super inconvenient. Perfect. Only thing that we have now is the hose. Okay, and now we may leak some fluid out if we have any in ours. Okay, so I'm going to get something to collect it quick and we'll continue. Next, 10mm socket, we have one bolt on top. Okay, this one is out. Then we have one more nut here on the left side and one more nut above it. So, what's next? Now you grab it guys. Okay, and you're going just to pull that thing straight down or bring it towards the wheel if you don't have the fender liner and get it out. And you can see this is the windshield washer reservoir. If you just need to replace your pump guys, okay, you pretty much grab that thing, pull it out. Okay, and you can replace it even without removing the reservoir sideways. Okay, and remove it like that. Just be careful not to break them. So, that's how you guys do it. You can see, not very complicated procedure at all. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having to do that repair. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.